Hey there, Licknriffers, and welcome back to the Lickin' Room. It's great to have you here again. So, we're gonna learn All Out of Love. The tabs are gonna appear on screen in a second. Just a reminder, you can download the entire Licknriff tab book, all 300 plus arrangements for free, okay? Including this tab. And when you're there, you'll notice that there's a free fingerstyle workshop, a completely free 7-day fingerstyle workshop. I just launched it a couple weeks ago, and I'm so excited that it's finally ready. It's gonna completely revolutionize your fingerstyle playing. It's gonna level up your fingerstyle game. You're gonna look at your guitar completely differently, and it's gonna blow your mind. So you're gonna have so much fun. I can't wait to see you inside. And now put on a C chord, because the intro, I kept it exactly the same. It's a C chord with 3 on the first string. You don't mess with perfection. This is a perfect intro. So you play a C chord, okay? Basically, you just arpeggiate it. Okay, strings 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then the open D string. Okay, this leads you into the G over B. So, and then 2 on the 5th string, you put 3 and 3 on strings 1 and 2. Okay, this is a G chord, but starting from the 5th string. So you arpeggiate that same strings, except for the 5th string instead of the 6th. And then you have F over A. So you put the non-barred F, and you start from A. So it's 5, 4, 3, and then 1 to 4. And then you have F, the barred version. You play 6, 4, 3, 2, and then G with the open strings. Okay, you don't move the bar, you play this G. Okay, the open position G. And then you play C. Any way you want to play it is fine. Then you have the verse. So it's F, and you play the bass with the 3rd string and then the 2nd string 3 times. And then you have 1, 1, 1, 0 on the 1st string. You can pull it off, and when you play the last 1, you play the C bass. And then 3, 3, pull off to 1 on the 2nd string. So then you can play the G string with it. Okay, this gives it a little more depth. And then you have F again. You play the same thing. You play the 3rd string and then 1, 1 on the 2nd string and then 3. Okay, and then you have the open E string, and then you have C again with the open E string. And 3, pull off to 1 on the 2nd string. F again. Same as the beginning. And then you have the 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 on the 1st string, but this time with G over B. So your bass note is 2 on the 5th string instead of 3. So, and this time you can pick the whole chord. Okay, on C, you had to avoid the 2nd string because it was open, but now you can just play it. So, okay. And then you have this A minor 7 chord. Okay, it's 3, 5, 5 on the strings 1, 2, and 3. 3, 5, 5 with the A string. Okay, this is A minor 7. And then you use your little finger to play 6, 6, 5, 6 on the 2nd string. Okay, I harmonize with the 3rd string, so F. Okay, just this beginner F. The open position F, no need to bar. You can bar it if you want, but I don't see any need, because if the A string keeps ringing, it's still an F chord. Okay, because F over A is still an F chord. You had it in the intro, so I don't mind letting it ring. And then I just slide it up to G, 2 frets up. Okay, so it's F. And then you play the entire verse again. C, F, C, F, G, minor, F, and then you have G. You have the open E string twice, and then G, 0, 1, and then 3 on the second string. Okay, so it's making it a G7 chord. And G7, as we all know, always wants to resolve to C, and that's what it does. Chorus, just the open E string. And then 1 on the second string, and then you put on the chord from the intro, the G over B with 3 and 3 on strings 1 and 2, and okay, so it's 1, and then the G over B chord. And then you have F over A again, and you play 1 on the second string first, and then the chord. And then the open second string, and then 2 on the third. And then you have this. The open E string with the F bass, you can play it with your thumb. And then 3, 1 on the second string, and then the open E string with the G bass. And then 3 on the second string. Then you play C, G over B, and F over A again. And then the second ending, you play F with 1, 1, 1 on the second string. And then you have G with the open E string twice. And then you have C with the E string. And 3 pull off to 1 on the second string. And then you have the bridge. I love the bridge. I think it's the best part of the song. A minor, any way you want to play it. And then you have E minor, the open second string 3 times, and then strings 1 and 2. And then F with the third string. And then F, E minor. Any way you want to play them is fine. Okay, and then you have D minor, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1 on the first string, sorry. And then A minor, strings 1 and 2. Then you have the E minor, F, F, E minor lines again. D minor again. And then you have the open E string, but with F. Okay, first time with A minor, then with F. Now you have this. You have F, G, F, G, but like this. Third string, second string open, second string with 1, and then G with 3 on the second string. Okay, and you play it 3 times. Chorus. And you download the tab, the link below in the description, or enter the URL licknriff.com, no slashes, no anything. You'll download the full Licknriff tab book and sign up for the completely free fingerstyle workshop. I can't wait to see you inside. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now. Have fun.